Hi, my name's Hank Bethel, and I'm the project manager for the Kyndryl Senior Design Team. Today we're excited to present our Energy Site Edge Computing System, equipped with a machine learning model running on VMware ESXi. Our unique design offers a remarkable range of features and capabilities. This model's core function is to do local processing of information at the edge. We demonstrate this with an RTSP stream, analyze it using machine learning algorithms, and control the turbine's operations, all without the need for stable internet connection. This makes it an ideal solution for remote locations and areas with limited connectivity. One of the key strengths of our system lies in the scalability by using containers on VMware at the device edge. This flexibility allows us to seamlessly integrate new sensors and machine learning models as needed. As a result, our wind turbine model can be easily adapted and upgraded to meet evolving demands and requirements.
I'm Henry, and I'm one of the design engineers on this project. I designed the physical model, and I'll be one of our members representing our team at Hannover Messe 2023 in Germany, the world's leading industrial technology trade show. Our advanced wind turbine model incorporates machine learning to analyze data, enabling us to detect objects within the camera's field of view, monitor motor vibrations, and uses an industry-ready thermal camera to not only monitor the temperature changes in key components, but also identify specific issues by analyzing heat patterns. These features could help optimize turbine performance, ensure safety, and minimize potential issues. This technology offers incredible potential for the renewable energy industry. Thank you for your time, and we hope you share in our excitement for this innovative solution.